you tired of the endless battle against dirt, spills, and pet hair in your home? Have you been dreaming of a cleaning solution that not only promises but delivers a sparkling clean with minimal effort? Well, dream no more. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wet dry vacuum cleaners to uncover the best of the best that can transform your cleaning routine. From tackling stubborn stains to effortlessly switching between wet and dry messes, we've tested the top contenders in the market. Join us as we reveal our top picks, ensuring your next cleaning tool is nothing short of a game changer for your home. Let's get started. Seven. BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max is a marvel in the cleaning world, combining the power of a vacuum and a mop into one cordless machine. Its multi-surface cleaning ability allows it to seamlessly transition from hard floors to rugs, sucking up debris and mopping away stains in one go. The cordless design liberates you from the confines of a power outlet, offering up to 30 minutes of cleaning freedom on a single charge. In our tests, the CrossWave Cordless Max excelled in picking up pet hair, spilled cereal, and mud tracks with ease. Its dual-action brush roll spins at 3000 RPM, ensuring a thorough clean every time. The self-cleaning cycle is a standout feature, keeping the brush roll fresh and ready for the next use without the hassle. Built to last, the CrossWave Cordless Max is constructed with high-quality materials. Its sturdy design has withstood accidental drops and bumps during our tests, proving its durability in a real-world household environment. The lithium-ion battery provides a solid 30 minutes of cleaning time, which we found sufficient for most mid-sized homes. Recharging is straightforward, though it takes about 4 hours to reach full capacity, which is something to consider for those with larger spaces. Six. EUREKA All-in-One Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The EUREKA All-in-One Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop is a lightweight powerhouse designed for those who seek efficiency and convenience. Its standout feature is the self-cleaning system that ensures the mop pad is always clean, ready to tackle the next mess without cross-contamination. During our testing, the EUREKA model impressed us with its suction power and the ability to clean both wet and dry messes without changing tools. The machine is agile, making it easy to maneuver around furniture and into tight spaces. The LED headlights are a nice touch, illuminating hidden dirt and debris. Despite its lightweight design, the EUREKA All-in-One is built to endure the rigors of daily cleaning. The materials feel premium and the components fit together seamlessly, indicating a well-thought-out design. The battery life is commendable, offering up to 30 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. It strikes a good balance between performance and efficiency, ensuring you can cover a significant area before needing a recharge. Five. Dreame Tech M12 Smart Wet Dry Vacuum. The Dreame Tech M12 stands out with its innovative 2-in-1 design, combining a wet-dry vacuum with a detachable handheld vacuum. This feature alone makes it a versatile tool for cleaning floors and above-ground surfaces like furniture and curtains. Its smart technology automatically adjusts suction power based on the mess, optimizing battery life and cleaning efficiency. Our experience with the Dreame Tech M12 was nothing short of impressive. The smart mode genuinely adapts to different cleaning scenarios, providing more power for tougher messes and conserving energy for lighter tasks. The handheld unit is a game changer for quick cleanups and reaching difficult areas. The Dreame Tech M12 is robust, with a design that feels both modern and durable. It has handled everything we've thrown at it, from daily dust and debris to more challenging spills and stains. With up to 35 minutes of runtime, the M12 slightly edges out its competitors in battery life. This extended power, combined with its smart energy management, means you can clean more area on a single charge. For Craftsman 2.5-gallon Wet Dry Vac. The Craftsman 2.5-gallon Wet/Dry Vac is a compact yet powerful tool designed for quick cleanups and hard-to-reach places. Its small size belies its strong suction power, making it ideal for both wet spills and dry debris. The inclusion of a car nozzle and utility nozzle enhances its versatility, allowing for detailed cleaning in vehicles, workshops, and around the home. In testing, the Craftsman vacuum impressed with its ability to handle everything from sawdust in a workshop to spilled milk in the kitchen. Its 2.5-gallon capacity strikes a perfect balance between portability and sufficient space to hold a significant amount of waste before needing to be emptied. Crafted with high-quality materials, this vacuum is built to withstand the rigors of both indoor and outdoor use. The hose is particularly robust, resisting kinks and wear over time. Its compact design also means fewer pots are susceptible to damage, further enhancing its longevity. One of the standout features of the Craftsman 2.5-gallon Wet/Dry Vac is its portability. The lightweight design, combined with a top carry handle, makes it incredibly easy to move from one mess to the next, a crucial factor for quick cleanups. Unlike the cordless models previously mentioned, this vacuum is corded, which means unlimited runtime as long as you're near an outlet. The power cord is sufficiently long, providing ample reach without constantly having to switch outlets. HIZERO Bionic Hard Floor Cleaner. The HIZERO Bionic Hard Floor Cleaner introduces a revolutionary approach to cleaning, utilizing Bionic technology to separate solid waste from liquid, making it incredibly efficient for cleaning hard floors. It's not just a vacuum or a mop. It's a 4-in-1 cleaning solution that sweeps, mops, dries, and self-cleans. Our experience with the HIZERO Bionic Cleaner was exceptional. It handled a variety of messes with ease, from dry cereal to wet spills, leaving the floor spotless and nearly dry. The self-cleaning function is a game changer, significantly reducing the time spent on maintenance. The build quality of the HIZERO Bionic Cleaner is impressive. It feels sturdy and well-engineered, designed to last for years of regular use. The innovative waste separation technology not only enhances cleaning efficiency, but also minimizes wear on the machine, contributing to its durability. With up to 80 minutes of runtime, the HIZERO stands out among its peers. This extended battery life ensures you can clean large areas or tackle multiple small cleanups on a single charge, making it highly efficient for larger homes. Despite its advanced technology, the HIZERO is surprisingly easy to use. The controls are intuitive, and the machine is lightweight and maneuverable, making it a pleasure to use on a variety of hard floor surfaces. Roborock Dyad Pro. The Roborock Dyad Pro is a smart wet-dry vacuum cleaner that excels in multi-surface cleaning. Its unique selling point is the dual roller brushes that work in tandem to tackle stubborn dirt and spills, providing a deep clean that's hard to achieve with traditional vacuums. Testing the Dyad Pro revealed its prowess in cleaning both wet and dry messes simultaneously, saving time and effort. The smart dirt detection technology adjusts the suction power and water flow for optimal cleaning, which we found particularly effective on mixed messes. Roborock is known for its high-quality, durable products, and the Dyad Pro is no exception. It's built to withstand heavy use, with a robust design and materials that can handle the demands of daily cleaning. The battery performance is impressive, offering up to 35 minutes of cleaning time. This, combined with its sufficient cleaning capabilities, means you can cover a lot of ground before needing a recharge. The Dyad Pro's smart features, including app integration for cleaning reports and maintenance reminders, enhance the user experience. These features not only make cleaning more efficient, but also ensure the vacuum remains in top condition. One, Tineco Floor One S7 Pro Smart Cordless Floor Cleaner. The Tineco Floor One S7 Pro is at the pinnacle of smart cleaning technology. It's a cordless vacuum and mop combo that uses iLoop smart sensor technology to detect a level of dirt and automatically adjust suction power and water flow. Its fully integrated design makes it ideal for homes with a variety of floor types. Our tests show the S7 Pro excels in both routine and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. It effortlessly picks up pet hair, dirt, and spills, leaving floors not just clean, but also streak-free. The self-cleaning function is highly effective, ensuring the brush and tubes stay clean and odor-free. Tineco's commitment to quality is evident in the S7 Pro's construction. It's designed for durability, with a high-grade plastic body and sturdy components that can withstand the test of time and frequent use. The S7 Pro offers up to 50 minutes of runtime, setting it apart from many competitors. This extended battery life, combined with its sufficient cleaning performance, makes it suitable for both small and large homes. The smart features of the S7 Pro, including the Tineco app, enhance its usability. The app provides real-time performance monitoring, maintenance alerts, and cleaning reports, adding a level of convenience and control that's hard to find in other models. Conclusion. In our journey through the top wet-dry vacuum cleaners on the market, we've seen a range of options that cater to different needs, preferences, and budgets. From compact, rugged models designed for quick cleanups to advanced, smart machines that redefine what it means to clean, there's a vacuum out there for everyone. Remember, the right vacuum can make cleaning less of a chore and more of a joy, transforming your home into a cleaner, healthier space. Choose wisely and happy cleaning.